Welcome all. Good evening. So glad to have you all here. I'm Veena VK. I'm from Bangalore. I welcome everyone. I welcome all the moms. Please type which city you're from, and we'll begin at 7 sharp. Some more. Good evening, Julie. So many more moms are expected to join. So please type which city you're from and your children's ages. Let me know you. Please just type in the chat box. You can be on mute. You can type in the chat box. Please welcome Hania, Sudha, Galaxy S9. You can change your name. Monica, Preeti, Julie. Julie is already in my parenting group. Welcome. Soumya, welcome. Varshini has put a lovely DP of her son. Welcome. Priya, welcome. Pooja, Juhi is just joining. Hemalata, Preeti, Judy, welcome everyone. That's a lovely family pic, Preeti Agarwal with her kid and hubby. And Kanchan, welcome. Neelakshi, welcome. Oh, nice to know, Priya. You are from Bangalore. Great. What's your kid's age? Also, you please mention. Soumya from Bangalore. She's 4 years old. Welcome, Soumya. Welcome, Priya. Hi, Kanchan. Which place are you from, Kanchan? And kids' age are 16 and 13. Nice. Great to know. Kanchan is from Chennai. Maunika, yeah, Maunika Gurgaon. She has two kids, daughter of age 5 and son of age 3. Good evening. From Vadodara, Gujarat. Okay. Pooja is from Vadodara and okay, I don't know your kids' age. Priya Chopra has two kids. One is 10 and other is 6. Varshini is from Erode. I saw your son's DP. I mean, in your pic. Kids are 8 and 6 years old. Okay. Sudha from Hubli. Daughter is 6 years old. Welcome, everyone. So nice to meet all moms online. Pooja has one son of 14 years. Glad to know. Pooja, you're from which city, which place? Pooja, yeah, she has typed Vadodara, Gujarat. Welcome. We have people from so many places from India. Hemalata from Sullurpet, Andhra Pradesh. Daughter is 3 years old. Cute. Hemalata Desai. Welcome. Preeti is from Delhi. Kids are 8 and 1 years old. I have a friend with your same name, Preeti Agarwal. I thought, how come she is here? Then, okay, she is in Bangalore itself. So, you are a different Preeti Agarwal. Welcome, Preeti. 8 years old and 1 year old. Okay, nice. Pankaja is from Bangalore. One son is 13. Welcome. Judy is from Kerala. Child is 6.5 years. Good evening, Judy. Welcome, welcome. Another 2-3 minutes should we wait for other moms to join. I'll start at sharp 7. I am always punctual because if I delay by 2 minutes, how many ever people are here into two, that many minutes would be wasted, right? So we'll always begin on time. Of course, people will join the moment they're able to. I know moms are busy and some things have to be arranged at home. If they have to be here for some time, they have to make arrangements about kids or about dinner. So I understand. Kritika, welcome. Sunita, welcome. Pankaja, welcome. Neelakshi, Jyoti, Ved, they have all joined just now. Type in which city you're from, whoever have joined now and your kids' age. I would like to know, please. Right. Jyoti is from Kerala. Nice. Which place, Jyoti, in Kerala? Kritika from Mumbai, 11 years and 5 years old. Okay. Jyoti's kids are 13 and 10. Ernakulam. Okay. Ernakulam is Cochin or I may be confused. I am not sure. Same thing, na? Ernakulam and Cochin are the same, I guess. Sunita is from Bangalore. I am from Bangalore too. Welcome, Sunita. Your kids' ages? Yeah, Cochin earlier. Yeah, my guess is right. Yeah. I haven't been there, so I was not sure. Now Ernakulam. Yeah, got it, got it. Right. How long is the session? It will be around 90 minutes, Soumya. You will get utmost value. You can have your kids around. Don't worry and let them play in between. You can give attention to them also. It's okay. I understand. Moms have to be with kids now. We can't separate. The kids are especially younger than 5 years. At this right time, they need your attention. At this right time when mummy is busy, they want all the attention of the mom. So I understand intentionally or unintentionally, they want more pampering at this time. They need more attention. So yes, it's okay. Have them around, give them a hug, give them a kiss, give them some coloring book. Let them also do. I'll request you also to take notes. Preeti is from Lucknow. I have daughter 7 years old. Welcome, Preeti. Welcome, Divya. Daivik is joining. Welcome, Poona, Reena. Welcome. Thank you all for joining live. Let me begin a small presentation. Welcome, everyone. Glad to meet you all online, all the moms from so many places in India. So this will be, I'll give you a lot many tips. It will be very interesting. Don't worry, this is not just some, just PowerPoint just to, get the topics right to you. Otherwise, I can talk even 1 hour, 2 hours just like that. But some people want the written format to read. So I have made this. Jyoti has two boys. That's great. Okay. So our main question, our topic today. First of all, thank you, moms. Thank you. You have all really given your time. You have get to be here live. I feel very very happy, and I'm thankful for giving me this time and for giving so much importance to your self improvement as a parent. There's no end to self improvement, so that's a great gesture on your part that you registered and you have all joined live. So today's topic is how to get kids listen to you with no more yelling. So that's what we will learn today. And please be on mute. You can type in the chat box. I'll look into it. And today I'm going to teach you this, how to have patience and no more yelling. And we'll discuss about secrets to get children listen to you, how to be a cool mom with no more yelling, rebuild trust and friendship, that is very much required. Using pattern interrupt technique, you'll learn what it is. It may seem a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll make everything simple for you. Today you'll take back so many tips. It's not just I came here free, nothing will be shared, nothing like that. I'm always giving and I want you to get the most. You are giving me your precious time and I want you to take value from this free session. Then you'll be learning, lot of lack of self-worth or external pressures would be there. How to handle that, I'll guide you about that also. And then how parenting styles of you and your spouse or grandparents. You want to implement something, you want to discipline them in a particular way or teach the kids something, but sometimes opposition will be there from the family itself. Do you all agree? Difference of ideas. It's not everybody cares for the child's welfare, but difference of opinion causes the conflict, and the kids will not listen because of all the things happening at home. Anybody facing such a situation? You agree at least, yes, this is a problem, right? Sometimes the mother wants to do something. You can type in the chat box, no problem. Yeah. And then parenting styles, how it clashes. Okay, this is just an introduction. And yes, very much says Judy, right? So also I'll be sharing with you 3 days patience challenge. I'll be giving you in the WhatsApp group. So be in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, Annie also agrees. It may not happen to us, but we understand by seeing the families around also. Yes, this is a factor, right? Thank you. So I'll be sharing your two more free bonus gifts just for coming here. I value your time. I really appreciate you all came and you all are in the WhatsApp group. So I'll be sharing, yeah. So I'll be sharing the 3 days about the 3 days patient challenge and 36 ways of anger management. So continue in the group. I'll share there. Okay. I'll be giving you everything. Don't worry. So yes, Kritika also says making elders understand is a big task. Yeah. Do you make the child understand, or the elders? Elders are also like grown-up children, right? So this is about 90 minutes. It depends from 75 to 90 minutes. If some question comes up, sometimes I take the questions depending on time. So what I suggest, moms, you may have a lot of questions. So go through the whole thing. I'll be sharing 3 secrets with you. Lot of tips I'll be giving for all your queries. Almost all answers you will get. So then you may ask the question. And still, if I'm not able to take, you have my number. You can ping me. You can message me. I'm your lifelong friend. Don't worry. I can't take calls, but you can message me and I'll definitely reply to you. Okay, so keep a hold on your questions. Take the input what I'm sharing and take notes. Lot of information and useful tips which have worked for other parents with their children. I'm sharing that. So kindly take notes and mute audio, please. Yeah, my number is there in the group. In the end, I'll share, Judy. Okay, no issue. I can share now also. Just note down so that by chance your question is not answered, your typical any family problem may be there, you can ping me back later. Okay. So please mute the audios to avoid the sounds. I understand children are around. So stay till the end, and I want you. It's recorded, but Purva, I will not be sharing the recording. It's for my own reference, but this is only live session, right? I don't want to give the recording. You're all live, so stay till the end, okay? And take back a gift. I want to appreciate that you stayed with me, kept my energies high, because I want moms to be here with me. So take back a gift and stay till the end, right? So about me, would you all like to know? Can I share with you? Do you all permit me? If you permit me to share about me, please type yes. Who is this lady talking to us? Who is she? I told you I'm from Bangalore. I'm Veena BK. But what background I have to talk to you? Thank you all, Soumya, Kritika, Pankaja, Poonam, Sunita. Yeah. About me, I'm a parenting coach and also a healer. I do various healing techniques. Once in this webinar, someone asked me, does BK mean Brahma Kumari? Because I said I'm a healer. I know about Brahma Kumari. I have practiced the meditations and their way of teaching and all that, but I'm not a Brahma Kumari. In South India, we have initials with our name instead of surname. So thank you, Purnima. Thank you, Sudha. Thank you, Suman. So I'm Veena BK, parenting coach and a healer, and I'm a mom's coach. It so happened that I started with the whole family. I was coaching kids, dads, and moms. And recently, almost 80% of my clients were moms only. Then I came to know I have a natural connection with moms. And I'll be sharing more with you about why I'm a mom's coach later. So, for more than a year now, I have been guiding parents, children also, and more than 500 parents have consulted and they have got results from whatever I have given them. They have got results. And I'm a certified life coach. I'm an author. I've written two books, The Incredible Mom and The Inward Journey. And I'm also a speaker. I have been a manager in State Bank of India. Then I've taken voluntary retirement. This is my second innings where I got a lot from the society. Now it is my time to give back to the people and add value to their life. So that is what I'm doing. I'm very happy today after having quit my bank. I'm very happy today. I'm an artist and a musician too. So that's in brief about me. I'm from Bangalore, I told everyone. And I'm glad so many people from all over India have joined today, from Gurgaon, Gujarat, Chennai, Kerala, and someone from Mumbai. So from everywhere we have moms here. So today you'll be learning how to change your attitude. Who has come for the webinar? Moms have come. So I can't tell how the kids can change, but by changing your attitude, I guarantee you, you can get the kids' cooperation. So how to get kids' attention without yelling? So ultimately, moms are looking to change their future, right? Moms worry. They tell me, "Abhi se aisa hai to aage jaake kya hoga?" And now they are not listening to me. Even they are arguing back. So how to correct this? What will people say? All those things are there. So about their future, we are concerned, and you have to avoid your own frustration, right? Ultimately you have to be happy, you have to be a peaceful person. So how to avoid frustration so you can finally be a zen mom? The new way to parenting I'll be teaching with you. It's a proven method, so I'll be sharing lot of tips with you. Why this no more yelling is important to you now? Because there is no parenting manual. The moment, yeah, Preeti, keep your questions. I'll be sharing lot of tips after my three secrets. If still questions left, you can ask or you can message me after the webinar, right? So most of the parenting methods we have learned is dead wrong. What worked for us from our parents, how our parents treated us, is it working for you? If you say one of my cousin's daughter son, his grandmom ना उसको ऐसा आंख दिखा दिए, कुछ गलत किया तो he asked her, why are you showing big eyes? In our days, if parents showed those eyes, that strict face, we used to just obey out of fear. Do you all agree? The kids old parenting methods are not working. What worked for us with our parents, right? The challenges are new. You can type, I'll know you are here. Yes, Dharani, okay, Preeti says okay, right? The parenting methods which our parents did for us is not working for our kids. Yes, agree? Dharani agrees. Right? Is it working for you? Right. Yes, Preeti, right. So, because the situation has changed, yes, Jyoti also says agree. Because the external situation has changed. Did we have a mobile during our high school or even college? No. Were we watching so much of TV? No. right? These kids are getting different inputs. They are playing video games. They are talking to their friends who are equally smart. I always say kids are smart, parents have to be smarter. So that is why the parenting methods are not working, and yelling is not good in the long term, neither for us nor for the kid, because it affects their whole perception. Out of fear, if they are doing something, either whole life they'll be fearful, otherwise they'll not care for anything and everything, right? What is Zen Mom is a calmness and a peaceful way of parenting. Smita, I'll be sharing more about it. You'll learn a lot of techniques now for that. Okay. So due to frustration, your health gets affected. So Zen is opposite of this. Whatever problems I'm sharing here is the exact opposite, getting results in a different method. Correct. So due to frustration, your health gets affected, leads to arguments and fights between you and your husband. It's true in my case, it's true in many moms' case. Because of children's problem, our equation is affected. So some of you might have experienced bato bato mein, it becomes big, and children will just escape, and we'll be fighting and arguing about the kid, right? All this happens. So is this webinar for you if you are frustrated mom and you want stress free? Smita, that is the one more answer to your question. Stress free life, this is for you. If you're confused mom and want to have a, it's, oh Pankaja, I really, hugs to you, Pankaja. Yeah, I understand. Many of the moms are confused, frustrated, don't know what to do, whom to seek help. I've been through the journey, so I know. Yes. If you want to create a happy family, what's the ultimate what we ladies want, what we moms want? Mera family acha rahe. We always say that. We always say that. Everything for the family. It's not for myself, I do something, but ultimately we have that happy family picture. So how to create, it's in your hands, moms. You are already very powerful. Just you need a little direction and tips, which I'll be sharing with you. So if you want to be the Zen mom, the calm and peaceful mom, this is for you. Calm and peaceful, what does it mean? बच्चे जो भी करते रहे करने दे. Is it okay by chance Hindi comes? Is it okay for you all? I'll be talking mainly in English only. Like it comes involuntarily. Okay. सो बच्चे जो भी करते रहे चुपचाप बैठ के देखते रहो तो खिलौने तोड़ देंगे, टीवी भी तोड़ देंगे, राइट? और they'll spill something, they'll hit the brother or sister. Sure, AML, I'll talk in English only, I'll not take the whole session in Hindi. कभी
हैं,
कभी
सुन
आ
रहे हो?
जाता है, like I said, right?
वो
So don't worry,
कॉम्बी
you'll
फ्लेम
not
और
miss
बीपी लैक.
anything. You'll not miss anything. It's in English. So if you want to be the Zen mom, not that you don't point out and kids can do anything, you have to guide them and get the results, get their cooperation in a better way, without yelling, in peaceful parenting, positive parenting methods. You will be getting the results. Wait for 5 minutes, I'll share with you the tips. I'll start sharing the tips, then you will understand better. So you may be wondering, I have tried everything, when unless I yell, they are not doing the things, or it will not work. So don't worry, I'll share the exact tips. So if you want to ensure great future and great bonding in the family, you already know how important it is, your kids' future and your family for you. If you feel I cannot control myself. Do you feel so? I want to, I don't want to yell, but I can't control. I don't know what happens at that right moment, how to control myself. Have you all felt it? Hmm? And if you're worried about your child because of his, and you say, my kid is angry himself or herself. Yeah, sometimes, yes. Kid becomes angry, then how I need to react? What should I do? Very much I lose my temper. Yeah. So this is for you. You'll discover the Zen parenting methods. So few important points, do not expect quick results. If from today you stop yelling, tomorrow child changes, it will not happen so soon, but things will start happening for you. You will see the indication, you will get the signal that yes, my child is also responding differently the moment I change my attitude. So we are dealing with little humans. It is not, machine नहीं है कोई ऐसा डाल दिया ऐसा बन के आ गया. It's not like that. We are dealing with little human beings. So we have to be sensitive and get their cooperation. So nothing works without your effort. You have to consciously think, what am I doing, what I should do. So you have to make an effort at it, and results vary. Some kids, it depends on kids' ages also, depends on your whole family cooperation. Some I have had feedback just last week. Who all are here, who joined, who are still in the last week course? Who all are here? I saw Julie. Type me if you are here from the Zen Parenting group. Type me. Okay. So they all within 2-3 days, they are all reporting. My kid is listening to me. Yeah, Prashantini is here. Thank you, Prashantini. So they are reporting, they are still undergoing the challenge. So results do vary, depends on the kids, their temperament also, but it will take some time. And most people who invest in any parenting coaching will not get result. That is true. The moment you join some parenting coaching today, tomorrow, day after, or 1 week also, results will not happen overnight. You will not see a change, total change, but you will start noticing small change in yourself first. Change begins with you, then your child, then your whole family will notice something is changing. So it will happen. Have patience. So, and but I have a confession to make. I have an advantage because already so many parents have consulted me and they have got results. If this is not working, I'll give you a different technique. If that is not working, something else, because each child is special, each mom is different, each family is different. So definitely I'll be sharing with you exactly what will help you. Okay. So about my own parenting challenges. So how do I know all this? Okay, first of all, I am a parent. This is my kid. Many years ago, he's grown up now. I'm in a happy place now. A very good kid now. But that time, my challenges, pap re pap. Okay, because he had this learning difficulty. He had a huge problem because of that, and somewhere I feel 80% mistake happens from the parents. I accept now that something better could have been done because the challenges are 10x. Kids' behavior is also bad and our response is also bad. So, how to have that patience, I didn't know then. I have done my own mistakes and struggle with homework. Anyone are facing how to get the kids to do homework, how to get them study. Everyday struggle, everyday evening, weekend thoda masti. Otherwise, every day bring your book, get your pencil. Anyone facing homework issues? Yes, right. Oof, yes, that shows me how difficult it is. Yeah. Behavior issues. Yeah. See, every day. Agree, Jyoti. Agree. Yeah. Especially with this online class. Yeah. Coming to that, that's one of the other issue. Yeah. I made a FB live session also. Working from home, moms, how to manage and about the gadget also. Right. So behavior issues are there, learns but lazy to write. That's a problem that I had with my kid also, not writing at all. Write A, you have to tell 10 times. So yelling and shouting. So how to keep patience when this is happening, right? Yes, yes. So all the problems I have faced 10x, whatever you may say here, 10 times because this kid was having certain issues with his own self-esteem. Every day, punished at school. The child came back angry to home. Even a small trigger was triggering so much. Then there were relationship conflicts, job stress. I told you I was working, पढ़ना ही नहीं है ऐसे बोलते हैं हाँ इसके लिए क्या करें? How to change the child's attitude? So my job stress used to have an effect, and finally he was just 8 years old. My son, I sent him to 8 or 10 years old. I sent him to a residential school. Finally, that was the final thing I did. Until now, the Tare Zameen Par you all have watched. Type TZP, Tare Zameen Par. If you have watched this Amir Khan movie, can you all please type? Yes, yes. About the sensitive kid, na, it's a very good movie actually. So that is actually my story, ladies. Exactly my story. Need your advice. Yeah, we can be no, no, no beating, no beating, no beating. Please, no beating. I have done all that. Yeah, please don't do my mistake. Please don't do. That's my story. So I have faced it and I know I have lot of, yeah, yeah, it is it. Oh, okay. Annie knew before, and that's exactly my story, Annie. That mom crying in the car is me actually. It's still me because I still have some regret because unhappy childhood. I didn't seek help. I felt like a warrior fighting single-handedly. You understand, right? You're all moms. You don't know where to go for help, and yeah, I make them do, give them. Yeah, okay. Thank you for sharing, Kritika. You make them do and somehow get them do the work, but your battery drains out. Yes. So I didn't seek help. Same thing. Same thing. I didn't seek help. Felt like a warrior. No one understands me, feeling frustrated. You'll resonate. That's why I'm sharing with you. Whom else can I go and tell all this? No one will understand except the moms in the same position, right? So child had temper and my impatience. I told you my job stress was there. Lot of confusion, fear about future. What will happen to my kid? If now he is like this, what will happen? Thankfully, he has come out okay and is a very good individual. But I felt huge pain, very bad, mom. I hit the kid, I yell at the kid. What am I doing? Only kid, I can't take care of him. For whom am I earning? Job stress. I'm telling bar like has to carry the stress from job and come back home and shout. किसके लिए ये सब कर रहे हैं actually? So no patience, job stress, home stress. And for a period of time, husband was in a different place. I was managing all alone. Preeti, I resonate, I understand. Yes, Purnima. So I'm the single mom. Kid turns out good. सभी लोग बोलते हैं ओ माँ ने अच्छा पाला and बड़ा किया. Something bad happens again. Mom is the one to be blamed. That huge pressure was there. Huge pressure was there. So family problems until now that regret remains. The 2 years only child, we both were earning. ऐसे बच्चे को I sent him away. If you have seen Tare Zameen Par, you'll exactly understand. I did not even say anything. Thankfully, they have made a good movie about the learning difficulty and what the problems of the parent and relationship conflicts. All this happened because of that. So how my turning point happened is when I decided to take action and I planned step by step. No, something has to change. This is not okay. I planned and I took the step. Positive will be dads, negative will be moms. It depends, Sunita. I have heard both the cases where dad is friend, mom is imposing everything, or the vice versa also. So I became a friend and mentor. First of all, I understood from the child's perspective. I really like, mom have to, do we have a choice, moms actually? When the kid is slipping or feeling weak or having problems, do we have a choice? We are moms first and everything next, right? So I had to, whatever my job pressure, family pressure, cooking, I am tired, all that aside, we have to help, right? So that is what I did, became a friend and mentor. Then I learned parenting by researching and trial and error. And back then, all these courses were not there in India, at least. If you told anyone, either they would sympathize or they would gossip behind your back. That's all. Okay, no one was there to help. And I made myself strong. I believed in myself. So I understood, nobody will come, family or friend, they can't help. My own inner strength made me powerful at that time and invested a lot of time and lost many. I experimented with this kid. And finally, thankfully, by God's grace, he has settled well. But regret remains always, it will remain till I am alive, I think. That is what I'm doing by reaching out to you. Moms, please stop. Don't someone ask me, I'm beating, is it okay? No, please don't do the mistake I have done. So that is why I'm here talking to you, right? So recently I quit my job. In 2016, I quit my job to be with family. At that time, welcome, Judy. Welcome. I didn't know I'll be coming to you, talking to, moms, connecting with you all. I didn't know. I quit my job. Then I started art classes, art therapy classes for children, then memory, concentration, public speaking, self confidence. I was taking workshops to children. I interacted more and more with the children. Already my story was there, my whole experience as a parent. Then the more I spoke to children, I understood parents can be guided in a, even one degree change in the ship's direction will lead it to a different future. So if I tell the parents how to guide the kids, what this kid's future will be totally different, right? If you do 1% change in their childhood at the right age, they'll reach a different destination in their future. So that is the vision I had, to help the whole family through moms. Actually, I also sometimes beat. I'll come to that, Sashmita. You need not feel guilty about beating. I understand it happens, but how not to? That is what you have come to learn here. So I came as a parenting coach. Then I questioned myself: if not when, if not me, who? I want to make a disclosure here, parents. I hadn't told anyone that my son had dyslexia. Apart from 5 people in my family, no one knew. No one knew because there was a stigma. Then when I decided to become a parenting coach, I had to tell. Yeah, I'll come to that, Harita. I had to tell, this is my pain, and that is how I just I was just okay with telling everyone. I first published on Facebook that my son had this issue and I dealt with it in this way. My relatives came to know through my Facebook post. So today I'm here with you all parents because of all the my past pains and my regrets. I'm somehow getting to reduce my regret and address my pains through you by helping moms to take care of their kids better. So I started interacting with parents and children because 1 degree change is important for child's future. I started conducting trainings and workshops. So I'm committed to help moms and children with my proven methods. Surely, lot of tips coming your way, Harita. So my goal is very simple. Actually, very simple. Mom's happiness. When mom is happy, what happens? Kids' future. Definitely, it will get better, and family peace will happen, right? So, because of which, why am I doing this? Is somewhere I am feeling much better by connecting with you all. I feel really better. So coming to three secrets, some of the secrets. Point number one is secrets to ensure kids will listen, and secondly you have to build your inner strength like I did for myself. I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. I'll be sharing. And build a shield for external pressures. There are a lot of external pressures. You have to protect yourself. So kids will listen, they will listen, but there are some secrets. Understand from the kids perspective first. Okay, ask yourself three important questions. What do kids want most? All moms, ask yourself, what do kids want most? They want your unconditional love, actually, not the chocolates or the toys you buy. It is a way of, affirming to them that I love you by buying the toys. Are you all there? Yes, kids have their own perspective. Agree? What do your kids say? What do your kids expect? They expect various things. Why? They are seeking attention, either positive or negative, or through the material things. Thank you, Dharani Aarti, because I'm talking to camera, right? I am envisioning you all there. But intentionally, I've asked you all to be on mute to avoid the sounds in the background. So, why do your kids want it? Ask these questions. You will come to know, you'll get a lot of answers. Time and attention. Yes, Neha, you said it right. What are their main reasons for not listening? I'll give you the answers also, don't worry. So, parenting is ultimately about them, okay, and what they want. Only then they will listen to you. The answer to this question is Zen way of parenting. There's a different way of parenting which can be and should be done to get their attention and recognition. Neha also mentioned rightly that attention, to spend time with them, to give attention. See, Sunita also, you all know the answer already. They want attention and recognition. You have forgotten. They need a lot of encouragement and appreciation. Agree? Recognition is by encouragement and appreciation. Both they need, right? So why do they want it? You have heard the need about for appreciation and encouragement, right? Even adults need. हमने अच्छा काम कुछ कर दिया तो किसी को एक्नॉलेज करना पड़ेगा कि अच्छा काम किया, शाबाश, ऐसा सुनना चाहते हैं. We all need appreciation and acknowledgement. So those kids need more because they are growing up. Yeah, Dimple says time and attention. So if you understand why they are not listening, you will get to know exactly how to respond to their needs. All kids want to feel individuality and self-belief. They want to be given that importance as an individual. And rather than you telling them something, you do that, you this, they have to start believing. Like 1 month ago, a mom had called me. She said her kid doesn't study by himself. At 1 year old kid, I suppose, and always he needs mother to be with him. Ma'am, how can I spend time with him? All the time she was asking. Keep your questions till the end. I'll share the tips. It's coming up. Don't worry. Later you can ask me. So all kids want to feel individuality and self-belief. You have to give them importance and the self-belief. You can do it by yourself. You don't need mommy at your side all the time. That cannot be done suddenly. Day by day by day, you have to develop that self-belief in them. Then only they'll become self-disciplined and do the things. So this is very important. Listen to this. Why are they not listening to you? Parents are unaware, either unaware or do not recognize these needs of encouragement and appreciation. So instead, or you only have a feeling, is it? Is my voice clear? Type clear if you are able to hear. For me, internet is fine here. Just type clear if you can hear my voice clearly. Clear. Prachi, you go off video, Prachi, so that you will able to listen audio. It's clear. Okay. So parents are not aware or do not recognize these needs. Some ignorance is there in all of us. I have told you, I also did trial and error. So instead, just fear is being created by yelling and shouting. So either the child gets used to the fear or they'll not care at all. One or the other thing. But kids will expect you to show the love, understanding, encouragement, appreciation. They don't know how to express to you. That is the problem. So that is why they are not expressing and you are not knowing, and there is a mismatch. So that is why they are not listening. If you understand their need of recognition, seems this network issue from my side, Annie, go off video. Anyone facing network issue from your side, go off video and just be on, listen to my audio. You need not be on video also. Then your network will improve. So kids will expect but don't know how to express. If you address their need of recognition and importance, involve them, listen to them, automatically they'll start responding. And it's like a mirror effect. The way you are behaving, they will see you and follow you. So type encouragement, appreciation if you agree to this. Encouragement, appreciation required a lot it's required. Please type encouragement, appreciation if you all agree. Let me have some water. Yes, Meenakshi, Soumya, encouragement and appreciation, right? So coming to the tips, make notes. This will help you a lot. So involve them in simple chores in the house. Why? For puja, right? Puja, arena, all agree, appreciation and encouragement. So when you involve them in simple chores in the house, you know what happens there? Self-esteem goes up. I'm telling you, appreciate and encourage. How will you appreciate and encourage? Give them small tasks which they are able to do according to their age and what they lovingly do. Very simple task. And when they do that well, you appreciate a lot. The more you appreciate, the more encouraged they'll feel to take upon bigger responsibilities. In fact, there's a Harvard grant study is Kanchana. I'll come to that. Harvard grant study where kids were studied in their young age. So whichever kids were involved in housework, when they grew up, they were very successful in their life. A huge study was made. They were followed up till their adulthood. They became successful as adults because they were involved in the household chores. When they grew up, they used to volunteer and they did very well in teams. They were well adjusted individuals because their upbringing was like that. So it has a huge impact. So involved in simple chores and sibling fights. Any one of you are facing this? Elder kid says you are always caring for a younger kid. Younger kid also feels you are always with the elder kid. Are they complaining to you? Are they fighting among themselves because of jealousy? Yeah, right. So this is a very important tip. And Prashantini, what do you say? You are here, right, from my 7-day course. So can you unmute and speak? Did you try this exclusive time to your kids? Oh, Pinakshi. Okay, single kid. That okay, comparing each other. Hi, Prashantini.
Hi, ma'am.
Did you try this exclusive time with the kids? Did it work?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm trying, but oh, okay, a bit of improvement.
Little bit of improvement. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay. So yeah, so you have to try this to understand this kid has to be made special. Over a week, you try give 10 minutes of time exclusively to each of the kids separately. And I also advise nobody else should be around when you give this exclusive time. Maybe elder kid, you wake up early. You wake up early, yes, Preeti, I understand. You wake up early and call him or her to the kitchen. Let them study. It's okay. Let them do their own thing, but you be with them exclusively. Just talk to them something. So give exclusive time. This is one important tip. And appreciation, two important tips I'll give you. You normally appreciate, every parent appreciate, but two ways of different ways of appreciating. Appreciate the child in the presence of others. You tell his dad when the dad comes home today, he did this job very nicely. Or tell about your daughter, she's completed her studies by the time you came. Without my telling, she completed. Whatever small things you notice about them, appreciate with someone else. Okay, this is one way of appreciating. Then second way of appreciating is praise about your child to the other, uh, to others when the child is listening. For example, you call someone, you call your friend, and you tell them today, you know what my kid did. She did a beautiful drawing. You know, she is very good in art or he is very good in music or maybe karate skating whatever or studies or he listened to you he is generally very obedient. All these points whatever you really appreciate in the child tell someone else in the child's hearing. Child would be hearing, they'll be somewhere there, then they'll feel very good about themselves. Wow, mommy is appreciating me with others also, and they think mommy is not noticing me but they are around, so they'll feel very good about it. It works wonders. Okay, it really, yeah, two ways I mentioned, right? One was in the kids presence, tell someone, let them know that they are there and you are telling someone else. And also tell someone as if you think the kid is not there. The kid will think mommy doesn't know I'm here. Still she's appreciating. Right? Okay, got it. Huh. Teach the listening habit as unexpected guest at home. No worries, Pankaja, no worries. From here on, tips I have just started. You just listen to that. Okay, no worries. Make notes. Okay, teach the listening habit how. Will your kid get a glass of water for you if you ask? Will they get a pen from from the pen stand? Can they do that? Usually negatives would be shared, so at least he listens to the dad. Oh, no, please. No, please. Prashantini, you know that by now. Okay. Yeah, Prashantini shared a common observation. Normally, daddy आते ही बच्चा भी complain करने लगेगा, मम्मी भी complain करने लगेगी. आज उसने ये किया, वो किया. I'll come to the relationship conflicts also. Okay. Everything I ask her to do. That's great. So teach the listening habit which they will not refuse. Open the door, water the plants, और फोन लेके आना मेरा वहां रखा है get my phone. They'll not resist this thing. They listen, right? Generally they listen small things. If you ask them to switch off TV, they'll not listen. If you ask them to do homework, they'll not listen. If you ask them not to watch mobile, not to play mobile games, they will not listen. But what will they listen? Get them to listening it. Teach them the listening habit first, then increase your demand a bit by bit by bit. You increase your demand. Get them to the listening habit. मम्मी कुछ बोलती है तो सुनना पड़ेगा, ऐसा आदत डालो पहले. हाँ, होमवर्क छोड़ो, जो करती है उसको करने दो and appreciate and encourage that. Whatever they are doing, appreciate and encourage that. Then उनका self esteem बढ़ जाएगा, self belief बढ़ जाएगा. They'll think, oh, I am someone great. Mommy is appreciating me. Then they'll become your friend. Then they'll do whatever you say. Friends को नहीं बोल सकते ना. They won't say no to friends. You become a friend. Don't be a mom. Be a friend. So get them to the listening habit. Ask something simple, which she listens to me, but not to her dad. Okay. So they will not refuse. Then set rules for someone who's asking about gadget screen time, and they should agree. You have to tell them and explain to them what you expect and be very clear about it. If they don't listen, I tell them they are not listening. Next day, cut short. You have to impose discipline, right? You have to cut short the next day. Yeah, sometimes they do, sometimes ignore, moody. It happens with all kids, but generally you take them to cooperation at least 80% of the time, right? So give them two options. This works wonders. And for example, the kid is eating unhealthy, you give them option of two healthy snacks. Don't at all include the unhealthy one, especially works with kids below 8 years. They can be tricked easily. Give them two options. They'll have to choose either one of them. If they don't choose, tell them mommy will choose for you. You will lose your choice also. Then they'll be forced to opt one thing. Yeah, gadget, you have to make rules, Kanchan. Tell them why you are expecting and you expect it. And this is not okay, spending beyond. Okay, one more thing I'll tell you about gadgets. Maybe before lockdown, if it was 1 hour, give them 2 hours now. Please give that consideration. It's fine. It's fine if they're doing for a little bit. Well, it's fine because they don't have that social interaction. They're talking to their friends. It's still okay. Okay, give that understanding to them and give them two options. Like I said, okay, homework when you will do, morning or evening. There is no third choice. They'll have to choose either one or the other. Otherwise, you'll say, "Acha, abhi karo, nahi to sham ko karo." You will choose your option. If they do not choose, so try this and impose this on them. If you don't want to give a third choice, which is not good for the kid, it may be eating healthy, it may be about completing their studies, give only two options. Okay. Or you may ask them, okay, weekday you study for 1 hour and weekend 2 hours. You want that option or daily 1.5 hours? Okay. They play and do forget the screen time. Okay, I'll come to it. Someone is asking a doubt. I'll come to it. So if they are angry, this also happens. Okay, I remove the mobile and I keep it away. Then they are shouting. Children are making a tantrum, causing a fuss. So you have to acknowledge their anger. Moms, had you heard this anywhere that you have to say, okay, it's okay to be angry? Did you tell them? Anyone tried this? Tell them you are angry. Okay, I understand. Because I told you they are little humans. Anyone has told this to their kid, tell them yes, it is perfectly normal to be okay. It's okay. Please tell this from today. You are angry. The moment you say you are angry, angry person will not realize. Yes, some people have tried, Prashantini, Priya. Angry little people don't realize they are angry. Even angry big people also don't realize they are angry. Whenever you are angry, thank you, Hania. So whenever you are angry, you don't realize. When someone else tells you, oh, is it? I'm angry. I have to control myself. It's like a, some awakening. Oh, I am angry. So I said, I am also very angry. Then change it. Varshini, you just keep calm. You have to be calm. I mentioned, no, yeah. If they are angry, it's your time to be calm, please. Okay, you have to be calm. Don't lose patience. And you say, I understand you are angry. You will be okay. Don't worry. Don't give any punishment for that, for being angry. Already the child is angry. If you give some other punishment, अच्छा अपने कमरे में जाओ, don't talk to me for 1 hour, they'll feel rejected, pushed away. It's human to be angry. Don't give any punishment for being angry. You say it's okay, you will be fine. I believe you'll be fine in 10 minutes. No, no worries. I am okay with you being angry. You have to reassure them. Please do this, all moms. I hope you are noting in your notebook. Okay, please do this. It may seem very simple and straightforward. It will work wonders. Please do that. Build your inner strength. And for building your inner strength, self love and self worth are the tips. Mom should have self love and self worth for themselves. Prioritize themselves, give importance to themselves. Are you taking me time? How many minutes a day are you taking me time? Can you type how many minutes you are taking time for yourself, away from the kids, not bothered about husband or chores to do, or not rush to office? Hardly 5 minutes. Okay, from today, Dharani, 5 minutes compulsory. Annie, not able to. 5 minutes, Annie, please, 5 minutes. Maunika, struggling to get my 3-year-old potty trained, which causes a lot of stress when he doesn't comply. Neha, good, 15 to 30 minutes, perfect. Yes, ma'am, after you suggested. Yes, Deepali is already in my course, so yes. Dimple, you can type. Jyoti, sometimes. Okay, make it a daily practice, 5 minutes. You have your morning cup of tea, coffee. Just take it, sit by yourself alone. Wake up 5 minutes early, 10 minutes a day, good. Kanchan, 5 minutes you deserve for yourself. If you are not happy yourself, how will you be happy with your child, right? So please do this. So I have given you ideas, suggestions here. Make notes, write in your notes, morning or before sleep also. Sleep 10 minutes late, wake up 10 minutes early. I don't get, okay, not 30 minutes every day, at least 5 minutes every day. Prachi watches online series, lovely. I also love watching. Then I love reading also. Anything, whatever you like. Round of 30 minutes. That great puja. Put your needs in your priority list. Whoever are not there, elders blaming us. उसके लिए आती हूँ ना. I'll come to the external pressure, Dharani. I know elders blaming us. Elders are always ready to blame. No problem. They have a right to blame. Let them do what they want. What you need to do, I'll tell you. Okay. So put your needs in your priority list. Are you there on your priority list? Are you there, or where are you if you are there? Top, middle, or bottom? Please type, everyone. How many people are there? All of you type. I'll see all those comments. Yes, are you there on your priority list? If you are not there, no worry. Bottom, bottom, come up a bit, come up a bit. थोड़ा ऊपर आइए. Not at all. From tomorrow, put yourself, put that 5 minutes me time as your priority. Put it right at the top. At least paper पे top में रहे ना. In the paper, you put yourself in the top. Okay, in the daily routine, you may not be able to complete. Last, sometimes, okay. Put your 5 minutes, at least one action for yourself. मेरे लिए क्या करना है मुझे? 5 minutes. It may be even before sleep. आपने सुबह लिख दिया टू डू लिस्ट में ग्रोसरी, बच्चे का फीस भरो, everything, whatever the kid asked to make some special dish, to make that everything, baking, cake baking, cooking, managing the servant, everything is there. But what happens to you? Yeah, when demotivated and frustrated. Yeah, I understand. So bring yourself up in the priorities and take that. Immediately start with taking me time if you have not already done. Hey, Jyoti's son made her join keyboard class. That's awesome. That's awesome. Wow. See, he understood your needs better than Jyoti. Her kid understood. Mommy, maybe she's angry, so let us make her calm. Sorry, Jyoti. I don't know the reality. I was just guessing. Lovely. No time to trim my eyebrows too. Oh, ma. Happens. I understand. Moms are busy, na? I understand. But it's okay. Take time. Plan. Like you plan everything, Mamta. कल आपका बच्चे का एग्जाम है तो आप क्या करते हो? You plan now for him. You plan for yourself. I used to play earlier. Oh, Jyoti, nice. You used to play earlier. See, some kid is giving us company. I take time out to study. I've started gardening. Involve my daughter. That's what I tell all the moms. Involve your kids. That's a great idea. Involving your kids in the gardening. They just enjoy some sunshine. You know, you can introduce them to various plants, flowers. It's a beautiful hobby for kids too. So it's simple. Just start. You can do it, moms. You can do it. Please start from tomorrow. Your priority list में आप हो और you will be in the top. Okay, please be on mute, everyone. Yes. So till now, more than 500 parents have consulted. How do I know this works? All these tips what I gave you, it is working for other parents because parents have, I'm muting you all please because of sounds. Okay. More than 500 parents have consulted and by using same simple methods because you don't have too much time to spend or do like a theory or research. So they have got immediate results parents. So that is why I'm sharing with you all these tips. So they started with simple techniques of self-love and Zen parenting. Same thing what I'm telling you. They started small and pushed bit by bit by bit. Changes will not happen overnight. Gradually got kids to listen to them and help them to build trust and friendship. अब friends को कभी ना नहीं बोलते कितना भी whatever difficulty you face for friends somehow you adjust, right? So you have to build that friendship with the kids. So remember mirror effect, how you are that reflects with your kids. If you are cooperating with them, they'll cooperate with you. If you tell them in a nice voice, request them, appreciate them, encourage them, they'll also do that, right? So remember. So this is my friend Jaya. She took my parenting course. Just listen to her about her anger, particularly pay attention what she says about her anger. I'll play it. If you can hear the voice after she starts, type yes, okay?
Today, I'm a changed person. I can say 99.99% I have changed because what just now she shared with one more parent, right? Yesterday she had counseled one parent. I used to do the same with my son. All frustration, anger.
Not
all
clear?
frustration, anger, everything, all the frustration, whatever happens at home, it will be on my son. I used to take everything on my son. So you know what? So many times he has told, "Illappa, means in Kannada, he speak to me in Kannada. I'll never get married because if I get married, even my wife will do the same."
Her voice is not audible, is it? Let me share again. Share.
Do the same. This is what literally used to say me. Today I have changed a lot, and being means I started taking my hypertension tablets also in between from the month of March. After 2 months, after I joined Veena, after a month I stopped even those tablets because I don't get angry nowadays. She guided me through some meditations also, and daily I follow her meditations. I think through her meditations, through her meditations only, I have changed a lot. I think the meditations have turned me. Hello.
Please be on mute, everyone.
Turned into a miracle, I can say.
That was Jaya, my friend and parent, and she became from angry mom to Zen mom. Please be on mute, everyone. Voices are coming from the background, or every time I have to mute. Please be on mute. Yes, thank you. Thank you. So if Jaya can do it, you can do it, ladies. So don't worry if you are an angry, short-tempered person. First call she called me, she told for a small mistake, I'm hitting my kid 10 times also. She herself, till now, she's my friend. Like I know that she has changed, right? So with the same confidence, I am sure you also can do it. Yeah. I'm trying to involve my kids. I have time before office. Kids are not ready to judge. How to manage the things. Yeah. That comes to time management and prior planning and telling your kids these are the house rules you have to follow. Morning by this time you have to complete. Okay, personal questions I'll take if time permits in the end. You can message me also, Sashmita, and also Kanchan also. Yeah, okay. More tips coming your way. Sure. See, plan your routine. You can do it if you plan to your routine. Your routine should be clear. You should not be under stress when you leave for office in the morning, so that you will get their cooperation. Then stick to it as much as possible. Tell yourself and your kids. Have you told I need my me time? This 5 minutes is mine. Okay, I understand, Prachi. Have you told your family that I need time for myself? So tell them. If they know, first of all, if you respect yourself, they'll respect you. If you respect your time for yourself is a priority to you, then they will naturally understand. So tell them, whoever said no, from tomorrow take, nobody will mind if you take 5 minutes. मैं थक गई हूँ, मुझे rest चाहिए. Tell them. Okay. So self-worth, acknowledge to yourself, I am an awesome mom. Write this 7 to 21 times every day. At least 7 times you write in your journal every day. When I get angry, Prachi, you do this every day, magic will happen. I'll come to that puja. So 7 times if you write every day, it will make magic. So who all are awesome moms here? I see 62 moms, including me. All of us are awesome. All of us are awesome. Yeah, Monica, I'll tell you about the mirror effect. So type I'm an awesome mom. Yeah, Suman, I understand. Please type I am an not me. I am an awesome mom. Those words have huge energy. I want you to write also in your journal every day. Right now you type it. Thank you, Kanchan, Deepali. All 62 of us are awesome moms. And you feel I am angry, I am hitting, I am yelling. It's okay, it's fine. What we do is because of all these things. You are not taking your me time. There's external pressure. Things are triggering you. You are confused. You don't know how to deal. That is why you feel I'm a bad mom, but you are an awesome mom. You are really the great mom. Trying to get things better. Suman, type I'm an awesome mom. I'll wait for you. You are an awesome mom. Things will get better and better and much better. Okay. Soumya is an awesome mom. Yes, Shubhangi. Suman, please type I'm an awesome mom. Being relaxed with regular schedule, kids too started taking light. Okay, now because of lockdown. That's why we are here, because you are awesome and you'll become awesomest. Thank you, Sashmita. Yes, you are all are awesome moms. Lovely to see that sentence. By typing, by putting words, they get energy and it will happen. More and more awesomeness will increase. From tomorrow, if possible, from today, start writing 7 times in your journal. So as you said, you need to stick to routine timings as much as possible. Also, I've written. I understand. Sri Havisha. Yeah, I understand. As much as possible, you stick to it because your stress will be reduced. Someone mentioned morning, I'm my office hours, and kids don't comply. So if you are a bit calm, you can tell them in a calm voice and get the things done beforehand. You plan. You tell them your routine. I have to leave by 9. By that time, you have to finish all this. Tell them very calmly. Keep telling them every day in the week. Yesterday, I mean, a day before, you tell them tomorrow morning what should happen. Same tone, no raising tone, nothing. How many times that kid will listen? Arey, kar denge aaj to mummy ke liye. They'll think. Ultimately, they'll cooperate. But you need to have patience. How? By caring for yourself, by taking self-love, by taking time for yourself. You will, inner energy, inner strength. That's what I call inner strength. When you have inner strength, when you are stress-free, when you are zen. Someone was asking me, what is zen? If you are in that zen is calmness and peace. If you are in that state, then kids, mirror effect, someone asked. Monica wanted to know what is mirror effect. That is mirror effect. You are a mirror to your child. When they see you, however you are, they'll also respond in the same way. Maybe immediately they may not change because all these days they saw a different picture of you. But if you practice for 1 week, oh, mummy is so calm. Why am I getting agitated? They are little humans. They'll understand everything. Kids are very, very smart. They'll observe you by 1 week. They'll see, oh, something mummy is trying to change. Let me also behave in the same way. That is the mirror effect. Okay, so self-worth, acknowledge, she's a little me. Wow, Prachi, that's awesome. Practice self-love, visualization, and meditation whenever possible. Meditation is nothing but practicing breathing in and breathe out. Thoughts will come, thoughts will go. Saying things what I say, Prachi, beware. She's observing you. You are a mirror. So what you want to be, you decide. Okay. Welcome, Monica. So self-love visualization, visualize, pamper yourself, and do that meditation. Get the inner strength so that you will give a different picture to your kids. They'll observe you 1 day, 2 day, then they'll start testing your patience more, like Prashantini's son is doing now. He'll think, let me see how long mummy is patient, let me test her. Prashantini, if you are there, this is the thing I wanted to tell you. He is testing you now. You have come to the testing mode. He'll test you for 2, 3, 4, 5 days more. He wants to know whether it is real. The change happened in the mom. Then once he, Prashantini, this is particularly for you and other moms also. You'll think, अच्छा 2 दिन काम करता है, बाद में काम क्यों नहीं करता, madam? I have tried it everything. All what you are saying, I have tried. No, Mona, sorry, make notes and don't worry. Ping me. Mona, what I tell you, everyone, okay, you may have joined late or some connectivity issues. You message me your specific issue. No worries, I won't charge anything. Actually, my consultation for 30 minutes is 1000 and for 60 minutes is 2000. But messaging, you message me, I'll give you the exact solution. Don't worry, I'm not even charging for that because you have all come for the webinar. I'm giving it just free. But to take your calls, again, I am full of appointments. Each one of you, you please message me with your specific issue. Share with me. I'm a coach. You can, I ensure you confidence, you can be sure that it is between you and me. Don't worry. Don't have the hesitation. Seek the solution. Right, Mona? Happy? You can ping me. I'll get you the exact, whatever is bothering you, I'll give you the, I gave my number. In the end, I'll share again and again where to share. You have my number. You're in the group, right? You have my number as admin. I'm there, right? No worries, Kanchan. Huh? Ping me. So self-worth, acknowledge to yourself, I'm an awesome mom. I told you, practice self-love. So another, the simple strategy help many moms without realizing this is happening, moms, without realizing, Prashantini knows or Julie, if she is here, no, you'll understand what I'm saying because they're already in my parenting course. So one simple strategy will help, really help. Welcome, Mona. Will help moms because they don't know this is affecting them. So this is my what feedback I've got from the moms. It will help them to be happier and calmer, and that mirror effect will happen. Build a shield, parents. Build a shield, say no to external pressures because some other trigger happens outside. Your teacher may call your son's teacher, he is not doing well. Already you are frustrated. This kid is not doing homework, not studying, not paying attention. Online classes, someone mentioned, no, they are not. That is a trigger actually. Online classes already he is not giving attention and now low marks. So, and teacher told upon that. So, your anger, it raises level by level by level. Doesn't want to study. Okay, or you have to create a game around studies. You ping me, I'll give you the exact techniques, Arti. Okay, you ping me, I'll give you the exact techniques. Don't worry, it's easily solved. Okay, so build a shield, say no to external pressures. What is external pressure? Please understand without your knowing this may be happening, or you may already be aware also. So other people are expecting us to be super moms. So who all have seen Karina, or who is your role model? The super mom. Have you, who is your role model as a super mom? Maybe some film star or those ads they show na. She'll do things at office, she'll come home, she'll do everything. Kids are your mom. Okay, super mom. That is okay. That is realistic. Your mom, super mom. Your kids also will say this. Neha, Dharani, don't worry. They'll grow up. Now they may be 10 or 8 or whatever. Another, give them another 10 years. Life comes a full circle. Then they'll say, my mom is the super mom. I assure you, don't worry. You are taking steps now. You are thinking how I can be awesomest mom, right? So it will happen. So what I meant to say is the super mom picture, what is shown in those, and we see only good picture. FB में देखो, Insta में देखो, सभी घर बहुत साफ सुथरा है, and moms are all well dressed, kids are all well fed, and everything is so ideal, so nice. But my house, baap re, it's so messy. Kids are not listening and कुछ भी schedule पे नहीं चलता. All these pressures you have, so those are all made up. And other people, you have a perception either in your head that I have to be like that, I have to be like Karina or somebody else, and they have a host of servants with them. We don't have that luxury. Okay, yeah, you get affected by the external pressure and take it out on my child. Exactly my point, Pooja. Others judging us, you have to be this kind of mom, that kind of mom, either hubby or in-laws or your parents, or I have to be like my parents, right? Others judging us and our way of parenting. Yes, Soumya. Other stress is also there. Financial problems are there, or some health issues are there because of which you are stressed. Someone was telling like my health issues. Whenever I have health problems, I shout on my kid. All these are external stresses and pressures happening. Mainly pressure from husband and in-laws. Agree. So it's huge, and sometimes we don't even realize. At least some of you know, sometimes don't even realize already, if anger temperature is 80, already you are at 80, and because of someone says something it reaches 100. You tell, na, I don't know why I yell, I don't know why I can't control myself. This is what happens. Yes, no support, no support. And I tell you, husband posted in other city. I have undergone this, Mona. I understand. Yeah, whole responsibility is on your head. Everything is on your head. I understand, Mona. And see, someone, Dharani said, I have no support. Sometimes parents-in-law are with you, parents are with you. You feel no support. Some parents say, we don't have any one of us. Maybe if they were there, it would have been better. Okay, maybe if I had the elders with me, I could have left the kids with them. I could have done something else. But it's not ideal situation everywhere. Okay, right, Kanchan. It's huge, and sometimes we don't even realize external pressure, adding fuel to fire. Aag mein ghee dalna. Have you all heard? That kind of a thing will happen. The trigger is like aag already hai, the fire is burning already, and you add fuel. So it may be different for different people. Okay, it may be different. Family members, you may be staying in a joint family, your in-laws, brother-in-laws, co-sister, whoever may be there. Their kids are doing well. My kids are not doing well. All these triggers are there. Somebody may not even say something to you just by seeing and comparing inwardly. We say we should not compare kids, but kahin na kahin, their financial status, our financial status, all these two kids are better or one is enough. Both are good. Anything is perfect as long as you make small adjustments and be a good parent to your kids. Anything is fine. It's okay, Meenakshi. No worries. Okay, it's your individual decision according to your family priority, and husband and wife will decide about it, right? No worries. Okay. So, family members, husband, grandparents, relatives, your outer circle, your friends, neighbors, everyone can trigger your past role models, then your parents' parenting styles. Is it affecting? My mom was strict, so without knowing, I am also strict with my kids. My dad had very huge expectations, so without realizing, I also have huge expectation. Is it true in your case? Can you share here, yes or no? Yes or no? Your parents' parenting style is somehow influencing you. Is it happening? And sometimes is it the reverse? My parents were strict, so I cannot be strict. I should be very liberal. Okay, many people say no. Yes, agree. Sometimes I don't want to be like my parents. Yeah, for some people it is influencing. Okay. So without knowing this external pressures are there, I am not strict because parents were strict. I don't want to be. I am with you, Kanchan. I am also like you till now. Till now, not strict, but mummy is overprotective. So I feel kids को freedom भी देना चाहिए. मैं अपने बेटा को बहुत freedom देना चाहती हूँ और दे रही हूँ. Right. So all this happens. You are already stressed upon that some trigger. That is why you start yelling. So what I'm trying to say, you are yelling, you are shouting, but you are not entirely responsible. Don't take that burden upon yourself. I don't want to, I am yelling means you are taking that it's a kind of mistake on your part. All these things are happening around you. You are not taking time for yourself. You are getting influenced by external pressures, and kids are seeing the mirror effect. You are not responsible, moms. If you are yelling, you are not responsible. I mean, you cannot have other way like you want to. That's why you are here, na? Because you feel I want to learn something else. Otherwise, you would have been happy with yelling if it was your true nature. So that means other things are causing you to yell. So it's okay if you remove those factors, you'll be immediately the better parent. Like you will stop yelling, and they'll see the mirror effect, and that will give results to you. So external pressures may be triggers, sometimes exaggerates your reaction without realizing you are affected. So how to deal? Let me share the tips. Relationship conflicts. If anyone is having, please ping me, Mona. Please ping me later. I'll reply to you. I understand. Yeah. What is causing your trigger? You assess, Mona. Then you'll come to know with these tips. So, relationship conflicts, communicate with your partner. Don't keep that stress. So, understand each other's expectation. Come to an understanding. Grandparents, you have to take husband into confidence. Tell your husband and tell them what to do, what not to do. To whom? To grandparents. In a nice way, you have to convey to them in certain issues. Please do not interfere because as parents, we are trying to teach some discipline to our kids. So this will not be good for the child in the long run. You have to tell them in a very nice way. You have to tell them because elders are elders. They will not listen sometimes, but you have to make effort. Then teachers, neighbors, friends, outer circle, relatives, extended our Indian family, everyone wants to have a say. What your kid should do, how they should behave. You just learn to ignore. Whatever you feel is right or wrong, you do for your kids. and it will take time. Ranpreet, please message me, Ranpreet. I want to help you. I'm there to help all of you. I'm not withholding anything. I'll share all my tips. Only thing is time is a factor for me. I can't take everyone's calls whole day. I'm in meetings. Sorry about that. Definitely I'll help you. Please ping me. Okay. Please WhatsApp me. Please WhatsApp me. Yeah, grandparent don't listen. You have to take your husbands into confidence. You have to tell them again and again and again. You have to keep telling them, make them understand, and there are certain techniques for that. I need to in depth discuss because each family is different. Message me. We have to become immune to it. Okay. About the external pressures, be immune. If you are really reacting, react because you want to, not because someone triggered. So it's all about relationship management and stress due to other issues. It may be your health or any other stresses, your job stress. You learn to manage by taking proper care of yourself, prioritize yourself, get your doctor checkup and your medicines, because we are not prioritizing, we are not taking the medication, or maybe not taking care of your health. Take preventive care of your health from today. Have that milk, vegetables. हम क्या करते हैं सबके लिए खाना बना के, we have something. We are not so caring for about our own health. So take up that fitness, your me time money, that fitness or a walk outside in the fresh air. It will help you. Yeah. No repeat webinar. Kanchan, message me please for the repeat webinar. I'm planning. Let me plan and inform you. Okay, Kanchan. And stress due to other issues, you learn to manage. That is how you have to manage health problems. Please take care. Ultimately, health is wealth. Do not ignore your needs. Be on top in your priority list. If more problems in above issues or other stress due to other issues, any issues, it may be parenting stress, some other stress, seek help. Okay, come to me. I told you I have openly offered, ping me, my number is there. I'll give you the solution. I'm a life coach also. So whatever possible at my level, I'll do for you. Okay. So build a shield. Sometimes talking to a person also gives you some confidence and some protection you will feel. So demeaning statements is there. How do I deal with my stress and health issues? So happy mom will give a happy child. So you have to be clear about your own expectations and then communicate or ignore. I told you with whom you should communicate and with whom you should ignore. So do that. Manage your stress, care for your health. Ultimately, there's no confusion. Your stress is reduced and kids are well behaved. So that is how it works. Build a shield for external pressures. The change in your attitude and your self confidence create immediate results. How? Again, mirror effect. Okay. This is Farhana. Just listen to her.
I am Farhana. Dealing with so many things all at the same time needs lot of patience, lot of energy, lot of organizing skills, which I thought I was having all of that definitely because there are few things which I wanted to do. There are few things I wanted to leave, but as sessions, whenever I get an opportunity or whenever I get an invitation, I do enroll myself. And yes, even though I don't attend it, but yes, the shared clippings or audios, I do listen at my leisure. So it gives a sense of kind of relaxation for the meditation part, if you see. And
So Farhana also got results. So I've written there also. She understood change has to start with me before my child is disciplined. Mona, that is the mirror effect. The way your kids see you, they'll start behaving the same. Many moms, I'm sure here, kids have learned to be angry, to yell back, seeing the moms. If your kids are copying you, type copy. If they have started copying you, kids as young as 3 or 4 years start copying the parents. So that is what I call the mirror effect. Yes. So you behave as you want your kids to behave, right? They'll get that mirror effect.
I am
They'll get that. I hope Mona has understood. If you want different, yes, thank you for sharing. Thank you. Noted that I'm sure he will. So start mirror effect from now itself. From this moment, write that I am an awesome mom. Your mirror will change. I mean, the reflection will change for them what they see immediately. Okay. Start writing I'm an awesome mom. When you write, that idea is reinforced, then you will do everything for the welfare of the kid in a nice way, in a better way. Okay. Give yourself me time, Write that I am awesome. Ignore the total outsiders. Take the family members into your confidence. With these small, simple measures, you will be calm and peaceful. The moment you are calm and peaceful, you will see a calm and peaceful kid. Okay. If you want different results, you have to take different action. All these days you have been doing something. So all these tips I shared about the Zen parenting method. Someone asked me what is Zen parenting. So this is it. So the tips I gave you. So why Zen parenting is better? Because this has been tried by more than 500 parents. They have tried the methods and it works. Okay. This is Maunika, another client of mine.
It is a very good program. At the time when I took this program, like my state of mind is not good. So after taking this program, I thought like simple tips, but they are very useful, and we need to take a pause and think like simple things we don't do when we are in that mood. So I basically like that point, and I'm sticking to that point. So after taking these 3 days course, I was like, I was remembering your words so that I will not act overly. So, or I'll manage properly.
So that was Maunika. And I've got a lot of testimonials for my courses. So you know by now whatever strategies I shared already, parents have tried. If you are here, Julie, can you share your experience? Julie Prashantini is here from Zen Parenting. Yeah, please share your experience of the Zen Parenting course. Yes, Julie, you are here. Hello. Please mute yourself. Okay, Prashantini is here. Who is there from the 7-day course? It's really helpful. Yeah, Prashantini, I think she can't talk. I mean, maybe there's sound. Yeah, it's really helpful. Prashantini says she has taken this course. So thank you, Prashantini. It's still going on. It's not yet completed. So already today is the 6th day, and these are the testimonials I have received from parents. This is about from my parents. So all these are my testimonials which parents have given me. So you know you're not happy. Me too. Some of the tips are best. Yeah, Deepali is here. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, some of the tips are best. Thank you. I can find the solutions for the at least see what has happened. The changes with this mom, Deepali, Prashantini, you will agree. You have become solution oriented than problem oriented. That's a huge change which has already started happening. All this is my kid is angry, I am shouting, what should I do? What is this? So, I mean, if the whole focus was on problem. Now what you're doing, okay, I can try this, I can do that because I'm telling, because we not old, why don't I try this? Why don't I do this? Then what is happening because of it? They've all become solution oriented. Thank you for sharing, Deepali and Prashantini. Yeah. So you know you're not happy. Meditation relaxes and helps. Thank you, Prashantini. You know that you are not happy about yelling. Are you happy? No, that's why you are here. I know. You have heard the 3 secrets for Zen parenting. I shared with you lot many tips and secrets. And if you start, if you use and implement, if you begin the Zen parenting method, already Prashantini, Deepali, they are saying, Julie was also here. Maybe she has left early. So if you start implement the Zen parenting method, kids will listen to you. It will happen, and that's why I have created this Zen Mom Parenting. It's an online course which Deepali Prashantini they have taken already. So let me share with you. Do I have the permission? By the way, if you type yes, I'll share about my 7 days course. It's a 7 days Zen Parenting course. Please type yes if you want to hear the details, please. Thank you, Aarti, Prachi, Pankaja, Soumya. Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Sure. Sure. Be on mute, please, everyone. Thank you. Yes, Ranpreet, I'll be sharing. Yeah. Zen Mom Parenting is an online course of 7 days. This course is specifically designed to help you for building trust and friendship. All this year, something else was happening. Maybe you have lost the friendship, you have lost the trust. You have to rebuild that. You have to rebuild and gain back their confidence because for friends, you will do anything. Na? Anybody will do anything if you have the trust in a person. So you have to be in a calm and peaceful state of mind. The mirror effect is working all the time. Kids, now they are always looking at you. So you have to be in a peaceful and calm state. That is called the Zen state. Take care of yourself and be a cool mom. Prashantini, Deepali, did cool mom techniques work for you? Very awesome techniques I shared, strategies I've shared with them. So learn new ways of authority, how to teach self-discipline. Do you all agree self-discipline is the ultimate? I don't want to yell, but let them, yeah, Deepali, Prashantini to an extent. Thank you. Thank you. So do you agree if self-discipline is there, what more you want? You want nothing, right? Type self-discipline if you agree. Self-discipline is the key to everything, right? Ultimately, you start telling them in a calm way, over a period, they will learn self-discipline. Yes, yes, says Ranpreet. Yeah. Self-discipline, right, Aarti? Yes, yes, Vinay. Pankaja says yes, yes. Self-discipline ho gaya to, the problem is resolved. Right, Soumya. So be self-assured and say no to external pressures in 7 days. All the secrets I shared in detail, I'll be discussing. I'll be giving you more tips also. If you want to be your child's friend and love and respect yourself, very much important, self-worth and self-love. Create happiness in the family, the ultimate goal. Create happiness. Yes, Reena. Yes, Jyoti. You all agree, right? Self-discipline, ultimate goal. So what happens with that is create happiness in the family and great future for the kids. And kids listen to you with no more yelling. Who likes to yell? No, I don't want it at all. Moms are clear. But kaise, how to get result? So that is what you will be learning. All in 7 days. This course is specifically for you if you are looking for that. Shri Havisha also agrees. Yes, self-discipline is the key. So here's how we'll do it. You all permitted me to share the details. Thank you. I'll be sharing it. So this is a 7-day course. It's step by step Zen mom parenting. Creating new patterns has made a huge difference. What about single mother? Yes, dear Suman. Definitely it works for you also. It's not always, it is double responsibility and you need more. Increase your self-love 2 times, Suman Verma. For you, 20 days every day is the prescription. You need to have double strength. Na? So take that strength, get that inner strength. I'll give you the techniques, don't worry. Yeah, create new patterns is on day one because by creating new patterns, that's a huge game changer. Deepali and Prashantini will agree. Totally new patterns you have to create to build that friendship and one teen and one toddler. No worries, Suman. It will work for you also. It will work. Okay. All the techniques, irrespective of the age of the kids, you may deal with the issues differently with the kid, but the strategies are the same. Okay. Sorry, today, what today? Sorry, you want to leave or what? Okay, create friendly vibes with the kids again. Create friendly vibes. What happens? Friendly vibes when it is there in the family, that zen and peace is automatically coming. Self-care secrets and cool mom magic are my very special techniques and what you need to do. How? Again, time management also you need to consider, right? So that also I'll be teaching you how to use authority. I told you in the beginning of this program, being a zen mom, peaceful mom doesn't mean let them do everything they want. अपना मनमानी करे मैं चुप रहूंगी ऐसा नहीं है. उनको see they are looking up to us. We are the role models and ultimately everyone will say parents have not taught the kids better behavior, right? We are responsible. So we have to use our authority and teach them self-discipline, which is the ultimate goal. And this is a video course because moms need to watch whenever they are free, anytime during the 7 days, you can watch, no time limit, nothing like that. Anytime 20-30 minutes video I'll be sharing. And another 15 minutes, Galaxy S9, is it okay? 15 minutes, okay. So live session, thank you for staying so long. Another 15 minutes I'll complete. Just sharing about this course if you are interested. So live session, 3 simple strategies I'll be sharing. They are very powerful again. And you can ask your questions and answers also. I'll answer to you. Q&A session also will do. So day 1 to day 7, thank you, Galaxy. Create new patterns. Yeah, Kanchan. Timings is video. You can watch anytime at your convenience because moms, they have their press for time, I understand. So day 7 will be live. Again, I'll share the recording if it's not possible to join live. So totally your convenience as many days as you want to watch the video. No worries. So create new patterns so you can teach your kids new ways of behaving. That is very important. Surprise them. Create new patterns by surprising them. This is very, it works all the time. Surprise them so you can get their attention. मैं कितना बार बुलाती हूँ मेरे तरफ भी नहीं. I call them 10 times, they don't even listen. Na? So for that, you have to surprise them to get their attention and get them to the listening habit that you will learn. Use new techniques so you can break old habits. Self-care, you know how important it is by now. You have realized, right? You are all awesome moms and you'll put yourself on the priority list. So be like friends so you can get their cooperation. I'll teach you how. Practice balance between discipline and letting go. This is the main confusion both for the kids and for yourself. So you have to practice a balance, create family bonding. So you create a happy family. So you are getting the same exact system. Dipali is here. Thank you. Prashantini is here. They are still undergoing today's day 6 for them. So you are getting the exact system which has been used by many parents to get good behavior from kids. Already it has been taken by so many parents. So this is exactly from this batch. Last 2-3 days back, I got this testimonials. Dipali, Prashantini, we know we have this all in the group. I have not put the names. Someone may not like their names to be shared. This is the latest 3 days back for this same course. I've got this feedback. So she thanked for her kids' health. Then, without pleasant surprise to the mom, that folded the clothes. We started having quality time. Okay, this is also latest 2-3 days back. I received this. Today I saw that elder son responded entire day. My son was cool and happy and obeyed all my. This is the magic of the Zen mom parenting. You know what can start by 7 days. It will carry on for a long time, but this beginning can happen immediately. That's why I said you will start getting results immediately, but entire change to happen, it will take some time. But you will immediately start noticing the changes. So there is one more testimonial. Okay, son started saying so many things which he had in his mind. Earlier, he was not sharing so much. Now, son has started sharing. So by now, other parents have got results. It is not at all surprising. By now, there is a step-by-step system to take you from where you are now to where you want to be. By now, you want to get into the Zen parenting system. You all are interested. Thank you for that. So, are you all ready for this journey of transformation? Are you all ready? How many of you feel there's a lot more to learn if you need to implement new ways of parenting? How many of you feel like that? You have a lot more to learn. Type lot if you feel so. Type lot. How many of you feel you have a lot more to learn? Type lot. Yes, Pankaja, Vinay, okay, Reena, right. Thank you. Thank you. And how many of you feel that if you don't implement it, you will be stuck and keep getting the same results? If you have been trying, doing what you have been doing, you will get the same results. Type yes if you feel that if you don't implement it, you will be stuck and keep getting the same results. Yes, Kanchan, I need to learn. Thank you, Suman, for sharing. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti Kritika. Yes. I joined late. Rajani, you ping me. No recording, please. I can share more tips with you. No problem. Okay, no problem. Don't worry, Rajani. Ping me, message me. Thank you all for that. Yes, I saw the energy. But what about the price? You didn't tell the price, ma'am. Someone may say. So others have invested 6,999 generally for 3 days course. You heard Monica, Farhana, they have all taken 3 days course. Of course, Jaya has taken, she has continued and she has taken the 30 days course also, Jaya, the next level. But starting level, it's not 3 days, you also, it is 7 days. It is 7 days because it is so valuable. Because we cannot place a value. I told you they are little humans. What value can you place on your peace of mind? And it's about the child's future. Okay. So offer price because you have spent more than how much? 1 hour, 20 minutes. Thank you, moms. Thank you for having this patience, first of all. Who told you are not patient? You have a lot of patience. Only you have to use it at the right time and required with your kids. So the offer price is 50% off, more than 50%, 2,999 only for today's webinar participants. Okay. So get ready with your credit card or net banking, whatever, anything you can pay. Right now, you will pay and enter into the 7 days Zen Mom parenting course. So who wants better offer? Type better. Better is a nice word. Type better, I'll give you a better offer. Should I? First of all, should I? Yes. You all deserve, no? You have spent 1 hour, 20 minutes with me. Better, thank you, Prachi, Vinay, Kanchan. Because of you, I will give a better offer. All others will pay 2,999. Whoever has typed better will pay 1. Sorry, I'm joking. Sorry. Thank you, Soumya, Sashmita. Yeah. Reena, thank you. Let me share the best offer for you all. Reena, thank you. I'm sure I'll learn to follow the instruction by better mom. Thank you, Suman. The first 20 moms who will invest today, how many of us are there? 41, please grab. This is the link. Grab your offer. 1999 is the offer for the 20 moms. Only for today. Yes, it was a blessing. Thank you, Suman. Thank you. Thank you so much. And it's not even about the money for me. You know, when I sent my son to the residential school, I remember that day. It was July 1st or 2nd. He went away. He never even looked back. We thought, oh, kid as well adjusted. I cried a lot that day. That is there. But kid, he went away happily, you know. Then June 19th was his birthday. June 19th was his birthday. We went with chocolates, new clothes, everything. He distributed the chocolates to all the kids. Then he started crying. He told, I'll not be here. I don't want to stay here. Imagine a mother's anguish. But 2 years I left him. I didn't bring him back. So somewhere I have to connect with you. I don't have an option. I connect heart to heart with you all. And already you are all friends now. You are here for 1.5 hours. Okay, Jyoti, but please grab this offer. This offer will not be there beyond the webinar session. Take 5 minutes and enroll, or please take the offer I am giving you because you were here. I want to give you the offer, Jyoti. Another 2 minutes. You just click on the link and pay. And please type paid after you pay. And this is the offer because I want to connect with you. I connect heart to heart with moms. I feel happy to be with you all. So what you will do is click on this link. I've left the link there in the chat box and it will ask for your name and email ID and maybe your city. Then you choose either net banking or debit or credit card. If you want to pay Google Pay, either the name of Mayavi Academy will come, which is the name of my firm, or Veena BK. This is my number. And just go there and pay Google Pay or Phone Pay, whatever your preferred option. You will get in the link also, that Google Pay, Phone Pay option. There also you can pay, or you can use my number and make the payment and type paid after you have paid. So click on the WhatsApp group. Please ensure after you pay, join the WhatsApp group so that you will get further updates there. Please type paid after you pay so that I'll come to know. I think you please join the WhatsApp group. Don't forget. If you all are waiting for something, how many are there? 20 moms, please grab. 34 are there. Please take this. And course begins tomorrow, by the way. Pankaj, talk to him right now. And yes, I understand, but price will go up. That is the reason I want to give you the best offer. Price will go up after tomorrow. It will not be there today. Now you have time in this webinar only. You have to pay. Jyoti, the thing is, I made it very convenient because earlier I was taking live. Some of them could join, some of them could not join. So what I have done is I give videos about 20 to 30 minutes. You watch the videos every day, about half an hour you can spend, and all 7 days up to 10 days also videos will be available. You can watch later also. Okay. So this is webinar only offer, Soumya. No, you cannot pay tomorrow. I'm sorry. You have to take the decision now because otherwise it is open. As I told you in my website, it is there. 6,999 is the price. Because you all have spent some time with me, I want to give you. If you want to learn how to get children to listen to you, let go of your anger and develop patience. Judy, once you pay, you will go to the WhatsApp. If you have paid, type paid, then I'll check. Okay, you will get. Okay, let go. Yes, Vinay. Let go of your anger and develop patience. Bring up confident kids and create happiness in your family in just 7 days. Please don't think twice. 7-day online session will be on the weekend. Yes, Kritika. It will be online. 7-day live will be. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are starting. Saturday, we'll be having online session. And by chance you are not able to attend, I'll share the recording of the live session. And let me give some gifts. Who love gifts? Type gifts in the chat box. Let me give you some gifts also. To make it more better to you, you want gifts, type gifts. Yes, please. Yes, Soumya, 7-day online session will be on the weekend. Soumya wants gifts. All others waiting for what? You want gifts? Type gift if you want. Yeah. Yes, Sri Havisha. I like your name. Sri is short, Sri Havisha. Okay. Prachi, Rajni, Kritika. Okay. You want gifts. All others. Yes. So parenting goal setting formula is my bonus number one. To have clarity about the expectation, this is very much important to have clarity from the kids and understand when to let go and when to insist. I have told you to have balance. It is very important. That is your bonus number one. One more gift is my healing. Many others told you about my meditation, right? So this is one such healing for you to be stress free, and it's very calming for you to go there, do this course healing. You will receive instant results because moms are under stress. I understand. And another gift I was talking about relationship conflicts. So you can have a better understanding because of relationship conflicts. So many problems happen. So have a better understanding. Bonding between couples is very, very important. You all know that. So that is another bonus from my side. And we also have a private FB group of only parents. You are all interacting here so much. So I know you want to talk to parents, discuss with them. So that is why I have this private parenting community also. I'll be sharing my tips and you can also interact. So all four gifts are along with this. So I'm giving you a bundle of Zen parenting. It is valued at 19,596 and you will get it for 1,999. As I told you, it is only for the 20 participants. 90% off I am giving for you. So please go grab it, right? Zen Mom Parenting Course, original price 6,999 only for today. Who registered for the course? Yes, today you are in the webinar for you. In the right now you have to pay, right? It's not for all the WhatsApp group people, nothing like that. Right now you have to pay. And 20 seats. Welcome, Kritika. Congratulations. You have taken a good decision. Congratulations. I'll be sharing more about the course with you. So first lucky 20 people will get 1,999. Please save the 5,000 rupees. And beyond 20%, 20%, even now if it crosses 20, you will have to pay 2,999 and you can save rupees 4,000. Okay. And it's not about money. We are here, no? One hour से ज़्यादा बात कर रहे हैं तो because you believe in me, I believe in you. We are here. So just go grab the offer. It's not about money, it's about our connection. And Prashantini, Deepali, do you agree? I don't hold anything back. Once you are with me, it is lifelong commitment to you. Deepali, Prashantini, have you become friends with me or not yet? They'll agree. They're in the present batch. Tomorrow is their day 7. I'm doing day 7 tomorrow for them. Right? So, yeah. So first 5, you want something more? Kritika is in already. You are the one. First 5, well, I want to give something more to the first 5. Okay, waiting for that. Do I need to send the payment or can you confirm my receipt again? Let me see, Kritika. I'll confirm right now. Yeah, Kritika, you are in. And I think you have joined WhatsApp group. You will receive the receipt by email. Kritika, I have received the acknowledgement and will be added to the WhatsApp group also. So first 5, you will be getting a special opportunity. I have a Zen Mom Club where we are meeting every week and interacting. How would you love that? Every week I am coming live with you. I'll be sharing the recording also. By chance you are not able to come. So Kritika is in. Another 4 people will get this also. This is an addition. Every week I'll be coming live with you and I'll be talking with you and also sharing my tips. Apart from the 7-day course, every week once we will be meeting. Okay. So there is this Zen Mom Club community of moms with weekly meeting and interactions. I'll be there with you. And why you should invest today? Because you will get this 4 bonus plus the Zen Mom Club for the another 4 people apart from Kritika. So grab it now only for today. I'm sure away from the webinar, outside this webinar, this price is not available. You are welcome to pay 6,999 and join. But this offer is webinar only offer. If you wait for tomorrow, the price will go up by 1,000 rupees, which is 2,999. I told you. And tomorrow, no offer. You pay the full price of 6,999. Beyond 20, it is 2,999, and tomorrow it is 6,999. It comes back to the original price. This is webinar only offer, ladies. Please do pay. You have watched this entire presentation. You want parenting guidance that removes your stress first and gets good behavior from kids. And you know this is excellent value. 7 days course plus so many bundle of bonuses you are getting. So just take advantage of this discount of 90% for the whole bundle. I'm giving you 4 bonuses and entry to Zen Moms Club, which is weekly interaction with me and other moms. It's very beautiful interaction between moms. So you have to come there either live or receive the recording. So here is the link again. Let me share the link. Any payment issues, please tell me if anyone is facing any payment issues. You have all the options. Yeah, you can click on that and make the payment. Okay. Then 5 keys designed for a happy family. It's a Zen parenting bundle where you get the parenting goal setting formula, then the healing course and the relationship clarity document, FB parenting community, and Zen Moms Club for the first 5 of you who pay Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever convenient to you. I've given my number also. If you click on the link, it will take you to that option also, or you can directly pay. And if any of the ladies are thinking, someone said, I have to ask my husband, it is for the family. You ask them right now. And this is for the whole family. It is not just for you. Moms do everything for the family. I know you know, right? So another 15 minutes, I can wait for you. You can see the testimonials and why you should invest. You can understand that also, because if you want me to guide you, if you trust me, if you like me, if you believe I can help you, what does your gut feeling say? If your gut feeling says yes, please go ahead and make that payment. It's a solution for your peace of mind and for the whole family. And if you are committed to give 100%, join now. Don't delay. This offer will not continue. What are the doubts? I have listed some here. You don't have time, I'll give you videos you can watch anytime. And if you have to ask your husband, as time is ticking beyond 15 minutes, I'll not wait and this offer will go away because this is only webinar offer. Should I spend money for myself? It's not for you, it's for the family. And don't buy anything else. Invest in parenting. It's lifelong investment for your that 1 degree change I told you na in your child's future that will change and your peace of mind. How much value can you place for your peace of mind, right? I feel it's expensive as compared to what? As compared to your health or what else? You decide. You decide how much value. So much I'm giving you 7 days course plus so many other courses. It's a whole bundle, and you'll be meeting weekly. The Zen Moms Club is very special, which I'm giving you every week. You are meeting with me. I'll be guiding you. Not that 7 days course is over. You will not be in touch with me. I'll be guiding you continuously. So I'm not sure. 100% money back. No. Earlier with 3 days they were taking. Now it's not there. So you'll have to commit 100%. So I will do it next time. Next time you will not come in this webinar. I don't know. I'll not be sharing the link or something again. So this is webinar only offer. Outside the webinar, you will be paying 6,999. So I'm not able to decide. Decide now or never. You understood now. If you do the things, it will continue the same way. If you want something to change, you have to take the decision. Okay, are you up for it? Questions about the course and bonuses? Any questions? Kritika asked one question, I answered. Jyoti asked timings. I told you it is video. You'll get the video and you can watch anytime. So just go ahead and pay. After you pay, type paid in the chat box. Type paid. By the way, if anyone have paid Google Pay, something you tell me because I've not come to know or I have to check later. Okay, I'm waiting 12 minutes more. Oh my, 1 second. You have the link in the chat box, just go ahead. If you really feel you have to change now, tomorrow it will be 6,999. So today is the day and 12 minutes to go. Yes. Thank you for the session. I have made note of tips. We'll implement them. Thank you. Thank you, Soumya. Thanks for joining. Yes. After payment, just message done. Okay. Who is in? Right. Kritika has joined, and Pankaja, congratulations. You have taken a great decision. Welcome, Pankaja. You also joined the Zen Moms Club. Okay, let me make it. Come to Zen Moms Club, everyone. Whoever joins among the first 20, you come to the Zen Moms Club. I'll add everyone. Is it fine? Every week I'll be meeting you. Every week we'll meet, interact, other moms will come, all issues we'll discuss. It so happens in my community that moms start giving solutions. Okay, I did this with my son. I tried this with my daughter and it has helped, and that will help you, right? So take the decision. It's now or never. Tomorrow you will not come back. I know your life, other things will be priority for you. You will not come back. So it is now another 10 minutes left. I'm waiting. Please type paid when you are paid. Pankaja, you are paid via GPay. Okay, got it. Thank you, Pankaja. I received. Thank you. And you'll be joining the other WhatsApp group also. One WhatsApp group and other WhatsApp group also. Okay. Anyone else waiting to pay? Any issues in parenting? Let me know, please. Yes. So tomorrow our course will be starting. We will receive videos day 1, day 2. So tomorrow being Sunday, Saturday will be day 7. We'll fix up a convenient time. Don't worry. Then I'll be meeting you live. Any problem in payment? Let me know. The link is here. Okay, 9 minutes and 37 seconds to go. I'm waiting for moms to take that right decision. If it seems right, you take the decision. If your gut feeling says, yes, I should do it, there is some solution for me, yes, please. I have 200% confidence. I'm willing to be committed 100% because I know this has worked for other parents. I am waiting. Any other doubts, you can type in the chat box if you have any doubts. Want me to put the link again by chance? Oh, this goes off if I put the chat box. One sec. I'll type the link again and then. So don't lose the opportunity because this is webinar only opportunity. Oh, some mistake is too deep. So whoever stayed till the end, please ping me. I'll give you your surprise gift for staying till the end. Sure, I'll send a gift. Please ping me. Oh my goodness. One sec. Stop sharing. So tell me any doubts you can share with me. Let me clear your doubts if any. I'm not sure how much time left. Okay, how many minutes you want me to wait? Okay, what we'll do, I'll share this link in the group. It's almost 8:45. By 9 p.m. you can decide and pay if anyone of you are waiting. This timer also gadbad ho gaya, so I'll share that. Yes, please, and all of you who stayed till the end, yes, Kritika, I'll I'll guide you. You are in the group, right? I'll guide you. So course begins from tomorrow, and videos you can watch anytime. For surprise gift, please ping me on this number and send me the message as free gift so that I'll know that you were here. So I'll send you your free gift. Thank you for joining live. I'll post this link in the group by 9 p.m. You can pay. For any chance you are not able to decide, you can pay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for staying till the end. All of you, please message me, right? Thank you. Good day. Bye. Take care. Bye. Right. Thank you. Thank